You are the only person who could still recognize the man who murdered our families. Do you remember what you said you would do when Ruth died? I have planned everything for you. You must follow these steps precisely. His name is Otto Wallisch. You must find him. You must kill him.
I'm looking for my father.
Sir, you're gonna have to check your bag.
I've already called the police.
Passport?
We are the last living survivors.
Stand by the window.
Who are you?
Please, don't yell.
What's a Nazi?
Nazi, a bad person. Did your father ever talk to you about Germany?
Are you kidding me? No, he's a collector, right? What's that?
I'm sorry,
What's going on here?
I will go. Sit down! You gotta answer some questions right now!
Do you want to continue?
I must finish. I must. Your voice has not changed.